Ming Fern FAQs. All you need to know. As a plant enthusiast, I've come across many fascinating species, but the Ming Fern, or Asparagus retrofractus, always stands out. Its unique appearance and intriguing care requirements make it a popular choice for many gardeners. Here, I'll address some of the most frequently asked questions about Ming Fern and share my personal insights. What is Ming Fern? Ming Asparagus Fern, scientifically known as Asparagus retrofractus, is an elegant plant often admired for its delicate, feathery foliage. Despite its common name, it is not a true fern but rather a member of the asparagus family. It's renowned for its fine, lacy leaves, which give it a distinctive, airy appearance. The Ming Fern is a versatile plant used in floral arrangements, bonsai displays, and as a charming houseplant. What about Ming Fern's bonsai? Ming Fern is a fantastic choice for bonsai due to its intricate foliage and compact growth habit. To maintain its bonsai form, regular pruning is necessary. Trim the plant regularly to promote a dense, lush appearance, which is ideal for bonsai displays. Ming Fern and cats. If you have cats, you'll be pleased to know that Ming Fern is non-toxic to them. However, some cats might still be tempted to chew on the leaves. Providing alternative sources of entertainment for your feline friends can help keep both your plant and pets safe. Ming Fern facts. Here are some interesting facts about Ming Fern that I've picked up. Origin. Native to tropical regions, Ming Fern thrives in warm, humid conditions. Growth. It can grow up to 1 to 2 feet in height, depending on care and environment. Maintenance. Ming Fern is relatively low maintenance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Ming Fern's leaf and flower. The leaves of Ming Fern are its most striking feature. They are finely divided, giving the plant a lacy, delicate appearance. Interestingly, Ming Fern does not typically produce noticeable flowers. Its charm lies primarily in its foliage. How to care for Ming Fern indoors. Caring for Ming Fern indoors involves a few key considerations. Based on my experience, here's what you need to know. Light. Ming Fern thrives in bright, indirect light. It's best placed near a window with filtered sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, so it's important to avoid placing it in direct sun. Water. This plant prefers consistently moist soil, but not waterlogged conditions. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. During the winter months, reduce watering slightly as the plant's growth slows. Humidity. Ming Fern enjoys high humidity. To maintain adequate moisture, use a humidity tray or a room humidifier. Regular misting can also help keep the plant's environment humid. Temperature. It thrives in temperatures ranging from 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near drafty areas or heat sources, which can stress the plant. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is ideal. I've found that a mixture designed for ferns, or a combination of peat, perlite, and sand, works well. How to propagate Ming Fern. Propagating Ming Fern can be done successfully using a couple of methods. Division. This is the most straightforward method. Remove the plant from its pot and gently separate the root ball into smaller sections, ensuring each section has both roots and foliage. Repot each section in fresh soil. Offsets. Ming Fern produces small offsets or babies that can be separated from the main plant. Gently pull them apart and repot them individually. What to plant with Ming Fern. Ming Fern pairs well with other plants that have similar care requirements. Some good companions include spider plant. The contrasting leaves of the spider plant complement Ming Fern's delicate foliage. Boston fern. Both plants thrive in similar conditions, making them great partners. Peace lily. This plant adds elegance and thrives in similar humidity levels. In conclusion, Ming Fern is a captivating and elegant plant that adds beauty to any setting. With proper care and attention to its specific needs, it can thrive indoors and become a cherished part of your plant collection. Whether you're new to plant care or a seasoned enthusiast, Ming Fern is a rewarding addition that will enhance your home or garden.